Lone Wolf Customs, once again. Hemi, 72 step side. Oh. Let's see, where to begin? Put the oil pump on, I tightened the mains and all that stuff. Swapped out this bolt so I could have the studs, checking my gasket. Put the Jeep oil filter angler thingy on there because I'll need it. Timing is correct, it's not advanced. Started doing the heads, lapping the valves in and all that. New valves, got valve seals, and start putting springs on. These are 6.4 valve springs with a 6.1 cam in there. I managed to get 3 on before my tool exploded that I bought. So the ones that you screw on the top, yeah, they're junk. So I brought my antique one out, but it don't work on Hemis, so I'm gonna have to make one, build one or something. Found one bent valve. Went to the machine shop to get a valve. Of course, I haven't even started on that head yet. But went to the machine shop to get a valve. He wasn't open. So I went to the junkyard. And at the junkyard, (2013) Dodge heads with manifolds, which are actually the correct manifolds I should be running instead of modifying the others. So I may just run those. Which you can see this poor engine had probably never had an oil change. But picked up these heads fairly cheap, less than $100, and it's got the valves I need. And they actually look like they're in pretty good condition. So pick those up. So there's my valves, my valves I need to go with my springs and all that. Plus they're extras if I needed them. So while I went to the dump, found this radio. Now, yes, it's not an actual old radio, but hope I don't get copyright.
Geico. Easy and savings.
It works. It's a CD, radio, record, cassette, freebie. And literally, I've done nothing to it. I've literally plugged it up. So, great. Guess when I have more to show you, I'll show you more. Alright. Got the timing cover on. Water pump on. Mark balancer. Now, I'm going to put the oil pan gasket on, pickup tube, and pan. And I guess I'll be back when I get that done. Alright. Windage tray, pickup tube, and oil pan. Just brand new pickup tube, brand new oil pan. Is it just me, or does that logo look like a shield logo from Avengers? Anyways, my own personal insanity. But yeah, got the pan on, bolt it down, which everything in the bottom end's done. Everything under the timing cover and all that's done. Now I should be able to flip it over and focus on just heads, and as soon as the heads are done, I can put the manual to it and put it in the truck. So, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that shit that I'm supposed to say. And hope you're enjoying watching me put an engine together over several videos. Alright. Bye.